Hey guys, I'm going to show you a few of the Google add-ons and extensions that I explored during this unit. In order to get some of the extensions, you just click on your how to customize your Google Chrome stuff, hit more tools, and then you can hit extensions, and your list of extensions will show up. Now, at school and not on my personal computer, I have more extensions available. One of them that I explored is Read and Write, and my school actually uses it quite often to accommodate our special ed students. I don't have it on my account here, but I do know like the state of Georgia is fixing to provide Read and Write for free for special education students. So that'll be an extension that my school is definitely going to use. Another one that I looked into was Open Dyslexic Font, which I thought was very neat. So basically you click on it, enable it, and any web page, you might have to refresh it, that a student with dyslexia is reading, it changes the font for them so that it's easier for them to read. There are so many different Google extensions that are awesome for special education students. Basically, just get into these extensions and, play around with them. I was shocked at how many are offered through Google, but I'm excited to use them. And then the other thing that I looked into with Google was the add-ons, and those are things like Group Maker, Roster Maker, and Newsletter. And they were interesting as well, but not nearly as interesting as the extensions were to me, just because of being able to accommodate my students with such simple ways, and allow them to not necessarily have a special education teacher right up under them to accommodate them, that the computer will be able to accommodate them in class. I'm excited to start using a lot of these and to learn more, as the course and just exploring the technology continues. Thanks.